This is exciting. It's something we've been working on for a while. We've got a new student activity on campus. It is exciting, it is original, it is interdisciplinary, it involves environmental science and hydrology and physics, and we think this is just going to be an incredible hit with the students. I think for anybody, I mean, when you're a beginner, it's pretty much just a splash, and that's all you get, and you're just working from that one skip, two skip. This has been in my family from, I said, my grandfather, his grandfather, grandfather before him, original Frederick Skip Hardenberg was the original for our particular family and passed down from him. Now I think it's just the desire to respect that legacy. I tell you, skipping rocks, when you hit that rock and it glides across the water, that's almost as if you're being connected back in time with all the ones who came before. Arm up, wrist, lean a little forward, back foot, and then it's through. Flip the wrist, try that. Okay.
At first we were just kind of like, why is Wittenberg doing this? And then we decided to give it a chance. And then after we gave it a chance, it became a Wittenberg tradition.
I don't see any reason this couldn't grow and become more and more popular and become regional, if not national. I think Wittenberg could be a really big player in this particular area. I mean, one of the populations we have, disc golf throwers, seem to be just a very sensible population that would enjoy this activity. At the same time, it's not just an automatic, because instead of this way, you're coming this way, and so it takes some deliberate attention to that in order to make sure you can make a smooth transition. Let me take you back to the basics. Finding the perfect rock. You see, it's not just any old stone that makes for a good skip. It's all about size, shape, and weight distribution. You want something flat, smooth, and just the right weight to glide effortlessly across the water surface.
Is this open to just students?
No, not at all. Across the campus, faculty and staff are more than welcome to join in. That's almost as if you're being connected back in time with all the ones who came before.
I don't know how you thought of that. That was incredible.
You're gonna have to cut right before the face breaks for that.